So this kind of comes as a video response to, I don't think I can pronounce this correctly, but Giesenheid. Uh, that's the best I got. But basically, you're asking how to add CCK fields like a photo title uh, to the photo file field, and I think what you're asking and what what you're thinking of doing and what you're actually going to do are two different things. What you're thinking of doing is creating a separate field like a title field, um, or as a text field, and then attaching it to that CCK. But how do you do it for multiple items? And there's a couple different ways, but we're not going to do that because that's what you want to do is kind of already built uh, into the ImageField CCK deal. Um, so I'm going to head over to my CCK. If you remember, I've got this photo gallery content type, and I had to recreate this because I had deleted the tutorial one created. But basically, you're going to go configure right in there, configure your field again. But you're going to pay attention to see the path settings, file restriction settings, alt text, and title text. This is the field you're interested in, and you're going to say enable. Make sure you got this enable custom title text checked, and then whatever you want it to be. Um, so if I'm a user, if I'm going to name each picture, that's great. But the default, what it's going to use default, this is where you would put something like the uh, the title or the account or um, you know I'm going to make it a text field. You can add a text area if you want a little more lengthy description, but I don't really care to put anything in there. Right now I just want to enable it, and then go ahead and save that field setting. Um, Now let me go take a look at my gallery. Wait for that to load up, and you see it doesn't have any title text on here. I'm going to go ahead and edit my gallery, and now title text is right next to it. If I wanted to add another picture, um, for the heck of it, we'll add this picture, upload it, and as soon as I upload, there's title text available for me. So I'll just title these real quick. Just give them something each so that you can kind of see what's going on. Tone. So I've got my custom title text created for all of them. I'll go back and save that. Um, and like I said, it's kind of ingrained, but they still don't show up here. This is where now I'm going to go back and edit my view, and you can either go obviously to the views or hover over, and since we've set it as a block, it's going to hover over this edit. I'm going to go here, and we're going to add another field here. We've already got our picture in there. I'm going to go ahead and back that out. But if we go to the content, you see we've got our let me back out. Content picture, field gallery photo, content picture, field gallery photo. We've got it there 3 times, but the last 2 you see are showing data and delta, and our data is the one that we're going to add. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to that, scroll down, add that field, take out the label because I don't want the label, and the important step here is the data key. Either the description, the title, or the alt text. Now obviously we did the title, so I'm going to choose the title. Update my display, and nothing's going to show right now because of the way it's displayed, but I should be able to save that. And there we go. There's our titles right along with it, our descriptions of each picture. And obviously you can go and kind of modify these the way you want. Let's say exclude it from display, let's exclude the picture, come back into the data, and rewrite this and go, oh, okay, here's our FID for that. Add a div tag in there. Oops, we're not going to do it div style because it won't accept it, but a line. Can help if I knew how to type today. Add a carriage return, and same thing with data. And we're going to go ahead and make this a header 4 just for fun. I don't know how that's going to turn out, but update my display, save it, and there we go. Header 4, centered, picture centered, and I think that's what you're asking for, just kind of how you add the title text essentially, so you can name each one of the pictures. That's all the changes you need to make from the other post. Let me know if you got any questions. Thanks.